Hey there, welcome to the Solo Traveler community. Today I've got a video on how to make a living while traveling full-time. By far one of the most frequent questions I get asked about full-time RV travel is how can I make a living while I'm on the road? Many of us who consider jumping into the full-time travel lifestyle don't want to wait until retirement, or we don't have a nice big nest egg saved up, but we want to continue to work as we explore the country. There are many reasons that you might be thinking about going on the road. Maybe you're at a spot in your life where you've already worked for 25 or 30 years and you want to travel more frequently, but you still enjoy working. Or maybe you just graduated and don't want to live the conventional lifestyle, incurring a mortgage, living in one place, and working a 9-to-5 job for the foreseeable future. Or possibly you're somewhere in between, looking at your life and seeing the need for a change. Looking for a chance to follow a dream. I was in that spot when I decided I wanted control over my time and hoped to do something that would help others. I wanted my life to make a difference, and traveling full-time gave me the opportunity to help wherever I was needed. But I still needed to make an income while I was chasing this dream. So I researched ways that I could still earn a living, even while traipsing across the country in my RV. And today, I'll show you 19 different categories of jobs that will give you that same opportunity. I'm sure that you can find several ways to adapt them for your skill set, giving you a wide variety of options for income earning. Number 1 on my list are photography jobs. From portrait work to photographing the campgrounds you stay in, if you're handy with a camera, there are a number of ways to make a living using it. Here's just a few of the ways you can make money putting your camera to work. As a stock photographer, doing editorial photography, product photography, portrait work, sports photography, school pictures, advertising, and even headshots for people like realtors. Number 2 on my list of jobs that you can do while traveling is to create a blog. Build up a following by creating a blog or website. Your content can cover anything from your travels to a particular interest or special skill that you have. Then find products that relate to your blog and become an affiliate for them, earning income off of their sales by reviewing them on your website. Or sell products that you create on your website, like photographic prints of images you take on your travels, custom signs that you might make, jewelry, or even digital products. Number 3 on my list are writing jobs. If you have a good command of the English language and enjoy writing, there are businesses everywhere who need great content created for them. Or write your own articles, stories, or books, publishing them on Amazon as Kindle or physical books for sale. Number 4, remote work. Do you have a current job that could translate well to working remotely? If your company doesn't already allow remote workers, why not approach your employer about the benefits of doing your job out of the office? Sometimes if employers realize that you're serious about working outside of the office and might leave their employee if you can't find a remote position, they may create one for you because they value your work and don't want to lose you. Number 5, affiliate marketing. If you have products that relate to your own interests and that you've used yourself, become an affiliate for the company that makes them. You'll earn money by talking about the products, reviewing them, and showing others how they work, and you don't have to carry any inventory. You can do all of this on your own website, as we mentioned before. Number 6, online teaching. If you have a teaching degree, you can teach students online, setting up your own schedule. Some of the most popular teaching jobs include instructing children in English as a second language, but some colleges also have online teaching opportunities. Number 7, product creation. Do you have a great idea and a way to create that product? Can you produce it in quantity and at a cost that you can make a profit when selling it? If so, sell your product as you travel, at scheduled arts and craft shows, or through existing businesses along your travel route. Many venues also offer consignment sales, and others allow individuals to rent a space within their shop or store. You would, however, have to replenish their inventory as needed, so keep that in mind as you travel. Number 8, online store. If you would prefer selling your products online, open an Etsy or eBay store, or set up a Shopify store to market your work to people around the world. And if carrying inventory around with you while you travel is an issue, figure out a way to drop ship your products directly from a warehouse, lab, or business straight to your customer. By doing that, you not only don't have inventory to cart around in your RV, but you also don't have to make trips to the post office every time there's a sale in your store. It's a win-win. Number 9, local instructional opportunities. Do you have a skill or special knowledge that can be taught to others? If so, have you thought about teaching a weekend seminar or hosting a one-day computer camp? All that's required is talking with a local library who has a conference room, or the community college who has a computer lab that's not in use on Saturdays. There are any number of classes you could teach. Here's a few just to get you thinking. Why not teach a holiday baking class at the county extension office? Or instruct seniors on computer classes at the local library. You could teach accounting software classes for small businesses, or etiquette classes for homeschoolers. Teach a nature photography course from the park pavilion, or take your students on a geology hike. Instruct sewing students at a local fabric store. And teach your neighboring campers homebrew classes from your own RV. Or better yet, why not teach yoga class on the beach? Number 10, mobile professional jobs. If you're a licensed nurse, teacher, construction supervisor, entertainer, or other professional, you may normally work under contract. Many of these professions have travel components to them. What better way to combine your two interests than to work at what you love while traveling to new places? Most contracts are on a multiple monthly basis, so talk with your profession's guiding organizations to find out about traveling contracts, their locations, availability, and length. Number 11, speaking engagements. If your career is in high demand, or if you specialize in something that can be passed on through storytelling, setting up a schedule of speaking engagements may be the perfect way to earn an income while you travel. You'll need to explore the various professional organizations specific to your topic of discussion, querying about speaking opportunities, pay rates, and availability. Number 12, seasonal jobs. Pick a location that interests you, then find a job that you can fill in that location. It is easier to do if your destination has seasonal opportunities, like ski areas with winter jobs and national parks with summer ones. You can find all kinds of jobs that will help you pay the bills, like becoming waitstaff or a museum docent, sell tickets, or work in retail. You can do maintenance, become a lifeguard, a driver, a computer tech, or even a dog walker. And I'm sure you can think of several other opportunities. Number 13, traveling service business. If you have a trade skill, such as a mechanic, beautician, plumber, dog groomer, or an accountant, you have the experience needed to offer your expertise as you travel. Many RVers are very receptive to hiring a dog groomer in their campground, along with a mobile mechanic or someone who cuts hair for a living. Talk with the campground owner about putting out a sign or passing out business cards when you arrive. 14. Business consulting. If you've had a business career and the skills needed to pass on your particular expertise, all you need is a cell phone and an internet connection. Many struggling businesses need coaching from someone who can show them how to move forward. Use your previous business contacts to find those requiring your skills now. 15. Social media manager. If you're skilled in using Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for business purposes, then marketing yourself as a social media manager to companies should come naturally. Show business leaders how you can improve their visibility, loyalty, and their bottom line by driving customers to their brand through social media posts, pictures, and content. Number 16, podcasting. Start your own podcasting show, talking about whatever you're most familiar with, whether it be your travels, a specific career, or interest. Just make sure that the topic is popular with others and that you can create enough content around it to generate many podcast episodes, because you'll only make money podcasting if the following things occur. People listen, you can sell advertising space on your popular podcast, or you can drive your listeners to your website where you make affiliate, product, or advertising sales. Number 17, sponsorships. If you have a highly visited website, podcast, or YouTube channel, you may be able to entice large companies to sponsor you. They would pay for some form of advertising to get their brand in front of your customers. Usually sponsorships are not an option until your viewership, readership, or listening audience are in the hundreds of thousands. But some smaller businesses may be willing to invest some of their advertising budget in smaller venues. You just have to ask. Number 18, mystery shopping. Normally, this is not a big income earner, but it can cover the cost of your groceries or provide fuel money for your travels. When used in addition to other income strategies, mystery shopping can become a nice little nest egg for special projects. Number 19, start a YouTube channel. If video's your thing, a YouTube channel should be your first stop. Brand your business and create videos that generate thousands of views. Then apply to allow YouTube to place advertisements with your videos for a nice income when videos are consistently uploaded and watched. Also, use your videos to drive customers back to your website, which can be monetized with affiliate sales, products, and advertising. As you can see, there are numerous ways you can generate an income as you chase your full-time travel dream. If you found any of these 19 job suggestions interesting, we have a specific step-by-step training for all of the topics we just covered, and it's all located in our solo traveler community. We'll show you how to become an affiliate marketer from start to finish, and you can take entire courses on how to become a stock, product, editorial, sports, or portrait photographer. Or find out exactly where to find those seasonal job listings and how and where to apply for online teaching jobs. Want to start a podcast? There's a course for that. Don't know where to start when it comes to building an online store? We've got training for that as well. We'll show you how to make significantly more dollars than the average mystery shopper. I make enough each summer to fund my entire fuel budget for the year, and my groceries are paid for. If writing's your thing, we'll walk you through the best ways to find that perfect writing job. And we'll show you not only how to approach your current employer about working remotely, but also where to find other remote positions if none is offered to you. All of this and more training, support, and resources can be found within the Solo Traveler community, where like-minded travelers share experiences and use courses, research, and targeted instruction to navigate the challenges and celebrate the successes of the full-time travel lifestyle. Find out more about the Solo Traveler community in the link below this video. You can also download a list of all the jobs discussed in this video in a separate link below. And check out the travel blog at Photo Tripping America to see places that you can visit as a full-time RV traveler.